Helping Brody conquer his fears. Part 1. Metal Floors.
I was lonely, so I got a dog. But when I went to work, my dog was lonely. So I got my dog a dog. When I saw how happy that made my dog, I had to get my dog's dog a dog. But I don't like odd numbers. So I got my dogs a dog.
Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Oh, did you just live? Well done.
Rocky, what are you doing up there? Mum, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down. Get down before I call Mum. I'll call Mum.
Rocky, what are you doing on the table? Get down.
Don't go. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. True. I have an important question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second? Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Do you?
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop. Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
Liễu
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little floofster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please.